Hold the hair very tight. Use your index finger, which I'm raising. The right one is holding the hair, the left is between the extension. You understand? Then I'm going to pass that right one that is holding the hair under the hair to the middle of that extension that the left one is separating.
Ladies, how are you all doing? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Agatha and I do hair tutorials on this channel. Please, can you ignore my wig and how stretched my face looked? Okay, so this is a braiding class. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 2 ways to start your braids and another 2 ways to start your twist. So that's all together 4 ways to start braids. Okay, so stay tuned to the end. Ask questions in the comment section and I'll be there to clarify you anywhere you do not understand. Okay, so like I said, I'm sharing with you guys today 4 different ways to start your twist and your braids. So let's get right into the video without saying too much.
So you see how I'm holding this extension. I'm going to pass the hair through it. So I'm going to drag it so that the root is tight. So one index finger is holding the hair, the other one is demarcating the extension. So I'm going to pass my right index finger through those extensions and we have crossed the hair. The only thing now is that one part of the hair is not holding the extension, is holding just the hair, and we are going to separate, we are going to share the extension between them such that you will have equal share. Okay, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, now you have your braid without struggling to hold the roots. This is very beginners friendly. So now I'm going to go into another step of showing you how to start your braids. Remember, I am showing you 2 ways to start your braids and 2 ways to start your twist in one video. So stay tuned to the end and get all my secrets. With that being said, at this point, I would like to say that you should please click the like button, like my video. If you have any question you would like me to answer, I'm always available to answer your questions. Please ask in the comment section below. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and divide the middle of the braid I've just cut. Then I'm going to place the extension inside just like you see me do. So I'm going to plait the hair on top of that extension. Mind you, the extension in the middle is very small. So let's just plait this hair over it. So now I'm going to cut a bigger hair, which is twice the one I've put under. So I'm going to use that one to go over it and start braiding. So guys, there you go. This is the second way you can start your braids if you are struggling to start your braids. Comment in the comment section below, this one and the first one, which one is easier. Okay, so now we have moved on to how to start our twist, and I'm also going to be showing you 2 ways you can easily start your twist for beginners. So I've cut a chunk of hair depending of the size I am going for my twist. Okay, cut the size you want. There is no particular size for it, so I've put it in the middle of the hair. Then I'm going to plait this hair over it. Remember, we are trying to start our twist in such a way that the root is tight, okay, in a professional way. So I'm going to plait this hair over the chunk of extension I placed in the middle. So now that I'm done plaiting the hair over the extension, I'm going to hold the hair to one side of this extension, then I'm going to start twisting. Everything is self-explanatory. I'm just, when the voice is following, I believe your attention is more drawn to it. Okay, so that's how you can start your twist, and this is number 1 of how to start your twist. We will now move to the second way, easy way that we can start our twist for beginners. Okay, in this part, you will cut one very tiny extension and one big extension. So you're having one that is like a quarter of the big one, okay? If you cut that big one into 4, that's when you get this one, or probably into 5 self, because I really want that small one to be like invisible. Okay, so you place that big one on your hair, which you have sectioned before cutting the extension. So that small one that I say you should cut, look at how I'm placing it on the big one now. You cross it. Okay, this is a cross. So now I'm going to hold that small hair and do like I'm wrapping it around this hair and the extension joined together. Then I'm going to pass my hand through that small extension and I will tie. So I'll drag it now so the root is tight. I've secured the root of my twist. So I'm going to start twisting. This video is very slow, so you guys can understand what I'm saying or what I'm doing very well. Guys, between this method and the first style to twist that I just showed you, which one do you think is more easier? Okay, if you haven't liked the video, please like, and thank you for watching. Bye. See you in another video.